So what's this? This is session 4.
Yeah, I'm only just getting in the car after session 4. What's going on, mate? It's all back in front.
Yeah, but mate, I've dialed into it a bit now. I haven't done any drive modes or anything. ESP off. My housekeeping's gone to shit. Right, that's everything off. This corner is still my pucker up moment.
Oh, yeah.
Every time on the way in, it scares me. This one I'm going too slowly into. I need to trust myself. But earlier on I did it, and I just literally, just to prove to myself that I was going too slow, held this line all the way round.
Yeah.
So I needed none of the exit. Right, he should let me go. Oh no, this guy I haven't been behind yet. I thought this might have been the Aston that I was behind earlier.
Brakes are something else.
See what I mean? The back just moves.
Yeah.
Right, faster. There we go. That's better.
Yeah, those brakes
I know, they're
so
incredible,
much more
aren't they?
than what the Fiesta was doing.
Look at, can you feel the back going?
Yeah, yeah. It's just a gradual
how does
slide,
it
isn't
do that? This is more playful than my Fiesta, I think. See, I could even brake a bit later, but I'm not trying to set lap times.
Oh, that's unbelievable, that.
And I can get on the power so early there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all very
Oh
well
no,
saying.
now I've got the low fuel. This is in firm suspension mode. I found it just, it is a bit better.
Yeah.
Certainly it's limiting the unloading of the inside wheels. Ooh, skipping about. So going sideways at 80 miles an hour. many times in my Fiesta.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
What do you think? How does it
this
feel
is-
from there?
Yeah, this is another level, mate. Because I'm having to push. Oh, they're braking. Honestly, I've never felt anything like it. That is so much more, and you can feel. I can feel the difference in speed as well. You know,
Yeah.
the exit, entry, everything is so much quicker. For me personally.
The brakes are good. They are good.
I mean, when you jump on them, it's like, fucking hell. Yeah, the first time you stamped on the brakes hard,
Yeah.
I was like, fuck off. Honestly,
That's what I remember it being like when I went in one.
Jesus
The
Christ.
first time. Ah, that's better.
Oh,
Carry a
it's
bit
not
more
bad, is
in.
it? Yeah. It's just so planted, isn't it? Because it's just, you know, as soon as it starts to go wide at the front, the back just starts going loose and comes in and
Look at
pushes it
that.
around.
You feel the back moving
Yeah.
all the way.
This is amazing.
I love
Look at
this
it, look,
thing.
you've got the traction
I know,
still.
yeah. Private hire, mate. Private hire. Goodwood is mine. Oof. And this I hate. I barely have time to get it straight.
Yeah.
You've got to scrub off. I've got no idea what speed I'm doing before I brake there. I have to watch the video back. Ah, see, look how tight I can hold myself.
That's crazy, isn't it? Look.
Nowhere near fast enough into there. And then this one, you just got to be patient. Oh,
I'm surprised the marshals haven't held up a
no,
time.
I know.
Unbelievable.
You can just drive out there so much earlier. I could almost come to a standstill there. I could brake later, but I don't want to find out that my pedal's gone
Yeah.
just when I need it. Now it says I've got 25 miles to go. Oh, that corner is epic.
brake at the back, you're approaching 130.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
128, 129.
And that's it, mate. So there we go.
Yeah. And you know what? That's the safest I've ever felt.
Really?
Yeah. We were going faster, harder, and yet I was actually enjoying that rather than just holding on.
Oh yeah, because
Because it just felt, even though it's sliding and everything else, I was like, yeah, that's fine.
you've just made me want to drive harder now. that's terrible.
I know, mate. I know.
That you feel like that.
I was actually quite chilled.
I'm embarrassed.
On that one. Yeah, sorry.
And that 311 was coming up on me.
Oh yeah, but he didn't take you. So there's always that.
No, I
but
guess.
Yeah. Oh, what's the oil temperature like? Oh, 140?
Yeah, it's 130, I reckon.
130. Okay.
I'm going to have to go and fill up my fuel now, look.
Pretty much, mate. Yeah.
So that was a quarter of a tank in one session. 10 miles to empty. What a thing. So I keep half expecting the marshals to pull me in for a chat,
Yeah.
but it hasn't happened yet.
Is
So
it a bit exuberant out there, sir?
yeah, over
Yeah, that's the whole
exuberance.
bloody point.
It doesn't feel like I'm doing anything. It just naturally moves anyway.